How's it going on, everyone? Welcome back to Enoylity Technology. So today we are having an amazing device which will provide you a keyless entry at your home. This is Kelwenas Maec Smart Door Lock. So here we have two different types of door lock, one with just a numerical pad and another with a fingerprint sensor and handle. Also, you can unlock this using your smartphone app and Wi-Fi. It's also very compatible with your Google Alexa. Let's see how to install this, but first confirm whether your door is left-handed or right. As we open up the box, here we get the various parts of the door lock. Okay, so now let's first install this part. Always keep in mind that the arrow will face up while installing. Screw this part tightly into the door. Next comes our keypad part. Here the wire will go from beneath the first part. The rubber pad piece here is an optional, but we are using it for better grip. Hold the keypad part tightly while we install the other half of the lock. Screw the back piece with the screw we get. Connect the wire and make sure you check the unlock position of the knob. It should be always horizontal. If you can't easily use the knob, try reinstalling it again, and after that install the 4 batteries. The same process goes for the right-handed door. Just make sure you are reversing the position of the front and the back part. The similar process goes for the installation of the another door lock, which is a handled door lock. And the main part about this door lock is that it provides you a fingerprint sensor so that you can unlock the door using your fingerprint. Now let's see how to control it using the app. Download Tuya Smart app available on Android and iOS. Now give a power supply to the gateway. Open the app, press the add symbol and tap on add device. So selecting from the gateway control, select the gateway you have. Here we have the multifunction gateway. Following the instructions, connect to your Wi-Fi and your gateway is connected. Now as our gateway has been added successfully, go back to the home page. Tap on the gateway and add Bluetooth device. As you will tap on the gateway, it will automatically search the nearby Bluetooth smart lock and will add it. As the Bluetooth lock has been added successfully, go to the settings panel and set the motor rotation direction for the left-handed door. It will be anti-clockwise rotation and clockwise for right-handed door. Now on the home screen, you can remotely unlock by holding here. You can manage the number of members who can access the door using the smartphone. Also, you can get the unlocking records. The smart linkage will trigger linkage whenever your family member go home or whenever your door lock alarms, it will trigger linkage. Here in the settings panel, you get various options as automatic lock switch, which will automatically locks at your preference time set. Also, you can enable password from the password manager icon. Here we have added a password 123654. Put a name for the password and the password has been added successfully. Now you can operate the door using a similar password and press hash after pressing the password and it will unlock the door. Similar interface for the another door lock, but the major change is that it will provide you a fingerprint sensor which will unlock the door with your fingerprint. And obvious, at the end you can use both the door locks with your keys. This is the smartest and safest door lock the money can buy. So this was all about the Kelwenas Maec Smart Door Lock. I hope you like this video. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.